Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several sweet recipes and adding to that list of recipes, today is another wonderful recipe that I'm going to share with you guys. This is a walnut dates halwa. The taste is heavenly and the reason why I enjoy having it because it's beautifully nutritious with all the walnuts and dates. I have used my favorite California walnuts for this recipe. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 2 cups of California walnuts. The first step is to roast the walnuts. To a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of walnuts. Roast the walnuts till they turn to a nice golden brown color. California walnuts are grown and processed under strict quality control standards in order to ensure you get only the best quality walnuts. That is why I make sure to use only California walnuts in my recipes. So you can see the color has changed a bit. Turn off the stove and keep them aside. Once the walnuts have cooled down, roughly chop them to small pieces. So I've taken about 400 grams of pitted dates. So just remove the seeds from the dates. So add the dates to a pan. We're going to cook them by adding a little water. So I'm adding about 1.5 cups of water. Cook the dates till they become nice and mushy. Keep mixing it at intervals. You can see the dates are turning nice and pulpy and they're becoming really soft and mushy. All the moisture is getting evaporated. Once the mixture has thickened, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix that in. So you can see the date mixture has absorbed all the ghee. Continue to cook. So I'm going to make a quick corn flour slurry. For this, I've taken 1/4 cup of corn flour, add about 1/2 cup of water and mix it well. Add the corn flour slurry to the date mixture. Mix everything well till it's all well combined. So corn flour is going to add as a binding agent for the halwa. Continue to cook the mixture till it becomes a nice thick mass. So at this point, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix that in. The date mixture is beginning to come together beautifully. Now add the chopped walnuts and mix everything well. These mildly sweet and beautifully nutty California walnuts add texture, bite and richness to the halwa. They are perfect for anytime meals and celebrations. Now add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix everything well. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes till the ghee is absorbed. Before you set the halwa, grease a tin with a little ghee. So you can see the halwa mixture should be a nice dropping consistency like this and it should hold shape. So this is an indication that the halwa is ready to be set. Turn off the stove, transfer the halwa mixture into the tin. Spread it out evenly on all sides and gently press it in. So you can see the mixture's got this lovely gloss. Rest the halwa for a couple of hours till it sets well. This will take about 3 to 4 hours. Once it's completely cooled down, you can remove it from the tin. Wow, you can see how beautifully the halwa has set. I'm just going to cut it into pieces. You can see the date and walnut halwa and all those nice chunky walnut pieces inside. Makes for a perfect snack. You can make it and store it in a nice airtight box and enjoy it whenever you like.
Here is this delicious nutty walnut dates halwa that you can enjoy anytime, guilt-free. So in case you guys are craving for something sweet, here is a nice healthy snack that you can enjoy. To try the recipe, enjoy and share with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.